Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna make one of my absolute favorite sesame prawn toast. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm just going to run through the ingredients that you're gonna need. So first of all, I've got some thick white bread here, some crushed ginger and garlic, spring onions, 1 egg, some prawns, deshelled, some sesame seeds, white pepper and sesame oil, and some potato starch flour. So first of all, I'm going to blend my prawns. If you have a food processor, that's great. If not, you can also chop it by hand. Scoop it out into a bowl. Alright guys, now we're going to marinate the prawns. Add 1 egg, ginger and garlic, spring onions, sesame oil, some white pepper, some salt and some MSG. Add some light soy sauce and give it a mix. Stir in one direction. Now we add some potato starch to thicken it up. Mix again. So this is what your prawn paste should look like. Now we're going to apply prawn paste onto the bread. Get yourself another plate, get your bread and spread it evenly. Like so. Alright guys, there we have it, all coated in prawns. Get your sesame seeds, pour it into a plate. Don't be afraid to put more bread into the sesame seeds. And there you have it, very quick and easy. And repeat the process. Alright guys, now we're ready for frying. Let's go. Wok on. Heat up your wok. Oil. Heat up your oil. Now that the oil is smoking, we're going to put the prawn toast in. 2 at a time. Fry them face down on very gentle heat. You don't want to burn them. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side. Give it a flip. Look at that. Prawns cook very quickly, and so the sesame seeds protects the prawns from overcooking, and the bread is nice and crispy. Make sure it's evenly cooked, keeping on gentle heat. Give it a strain. 2 more. We're ready to serve. This is how you make sesame prawn toast. Oh, that's so good. Growing up in a Chinese takeaway, I've always loved prawn toast, and now it's a really amazing feeling to be able to make it yourself. Marinating it with the correct ingredient gives you amazing results. Please give this a try. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. See you. Yeah, by the way guys, you can make it even better with some chili sauce.